So, you want a specific font for your book cover, but you don't have it on your computer. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'll be showing you how to load a font onto your computer and how to delete one. First, find the font you want to add. Make sure, if you're using a free font, or a paid one for that matter, that you have the license to use it for the purposes required. You can't use all fonts for commercial purposes. This site sends copies of specific licenses in the zip file. Be careful, this font is clearly for all uses. Another one I selected first said, a free use for 200 sold copies, 15 minutes of video viewing, and some other ridiculously not really free for commercial use requirements. Once you've downloaded the file and clicked on it, you'll likely get a zipped folder open up. From there, simply double-clicking on the font opens it for installation. At the top left of the screen, you'll get the option to install or print. So click on Install and it's done. The only thing you need to remember is that if the application you want to use it in is open, you'll need to close and open it again before the font will become available. If you want to delete a font, go to Settings and type Font in the search box. Select Font Settings, find the font you want to delete, open it up, and you'll get a button to uninstall it. Now you've downloaded a font, you'll probably want to create a book cover. This video shows you the basics of how to use a book cover template.